Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Instagram Notes for engagement and DMs. Let's get started. First, open DM inbox and tap Leave a Note. Note are short 60 characters update that show at the top of your friend's inbox for 24 hours. First, write something that invites interaction like a question, announcement, or call to action. Keep it short and fun since space is limited. When someone replies to your note, it goes directly in your DMs. This makes it super easy to start conversation and build stronger connections. Use notes to tease new content, share tips, or even start polls. It's like a mini status update that keeps you top of mind. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.